Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about bringing you honest, in-depth beauty reviews. If you're someone who loves that perfectly polished look without the salon hassle, today's review will definitely interest you. We're diving into the Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails in the stunning Nude Nude shade. These nails promise to take your DIY mani to the next level, offering you an effortless, professional-looking finish at home. So, let's see if they truly live up to the hype. The Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails come in a neutral Nude Nude shade, designed to flatter every skin tone, and are available in a medium coffin shape. This set includes 28 nails, along with a 2-gain tube of pink gel glue, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick. Everything you need for a flawless at-home manicure. What sets these apart from other press-ons is the promise of a long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof finish that could last up to 14 days. Intrigued? Let's see how they actually perform. When I first tried these nails, I was impressed by how easy they were to apply. The process was simple. Prep your nails, apply a thin layer of glue, and press on the fake nails. The included glue has a nice consistency that holds well without any mess. The medium coffin shape is perfect if you like a trendy but not too dramatic nail look, and the nude shade was a great match for my skin tone. In fact, it looked like I just stepped out of a nail salon. Now, in terms of wearability, I tested these nails over a week and a half. I wore them through daily activities like typing, cooking, and even a workout, and they stayed in place without any itch-proof and waterproof, which I found to be a major plus. No worrying about nails lifting or getting damaged during a shower or washing dishes. However, while these nails were easy to apply and wear, they didn't feel as durable as professional acrylics. After a few days, I did notice some slight wear around the edges, especially where the nail meets the glue. This is something to keep in mind if you're looking for a longer-lasting solution. But considering the price, I still think they offer solid value for anyone looking for a temporary, salon-quality look at home. Let's talk about value. For the price point, these press-on nails provide a great alternative to costly salon visits. While they won't last as long as professional acrylics, they offer a great DIY option for those who want a quick and easy manicure. Plus, the variety of shades, including the Nude Nude, means you can tailor your nails to match your personal style or even your skin tone. Now, if you're someone who prefers more durable nails or is used to getting regular salon manicures, you may find these less long-lasting than you'd like. But if you're looking for something quick, simple, and affordable, they do the job beautifully. I also wanted to quickly mention the overall build quality. The nails are lightweight and flexible, which helps with the comfort of wearing them, but they're also sturdy enough to hold up for the time they're meant to stay on. The glue is reliable, and the file and manicure stick are convenient little extras that really make this set easy to use. As for customer support, I haven't had to reach out to Kiss personally for any issues, but the brand is well known for providing solid customer service based on reviews, so you can trust them if you need assistance. In terms of alternatives, there are other brands offering press-on nails in a similar price range, like Impress or Static Nails. However, Kiss's selection of nude shades and the ease of application make it a solid choice for anyone who loves a neutral, sophisticated look. To wrap things up, the Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails in Nude Nude are a fantastic option for anyone looking to achieve a flawless, natural-looking manicure at home. They are easy to apply, stay in place for an impressive amount of time, and the nude shade suits all skin tones beautifully. While they're not as durable as salon acrylics, they're perfect for a quick, low-maintenance solution that still looks polished and professional. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used these nails, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how they worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.